Welcome to the Founders Lab podcast. At Founder Labs, we are dedicated to empowering early stage founders with the right insights, visibility, and awareness to grow and scale their ventures. The objective of this podcast is to bring real world insights, experiences, and expert perspectives to help founders navigate the challenges of building and scaling innovative ventures. Today on the show, we have with us Ashish Gupta, the CEO and co founder of Redbox, one of the most interesting SaaS companies transforming the way universities run their hostels and student campuses. Ashish has spent the last few years deeply immersed in the world of student experience and campus operations, building a product that now serves tens of thousands of students across leading private universities in India. His journey is a masterclass in persistence, from chasing top tier universities for months to finally cracking major deals like KIIT University, one of the largest hostel ecosystems in the country. What I love about Ashish's story is that he's building something very real, very needed, and very, very scalable. Ashish is someone who thinks long term, builds with empathy for students and admins, and has bootstrapped his way into a strong revenue generating SaaS business. I'm excited to dive into his journey, the lessons he's learned, and where he sees campus technology heading next. So, hi Ashish, welcome to the podcast.
Hey, Radha.
Yeah. So let's start from the very beginning. How did the idea of Fretbox come to you, and what problem were you looking at solving?
Hey, this idea came from a very simple observation. Today's university hostels are a massive ecosystem, but they run on fragmented manual processes. Every bit of operations, like communication, that was all was happening on papers, WhatsApp groups, emails, and when I visited campuses, I saw those wardens and been struggling with the repetitive tasks, student frustrated with delays, parents about that didn't know what's happening with their child because most of the teenage student right who go into their early bachelors right they are the first time movers coming out of their home to a university in some big city right for them. So we were doing something very similar. We were doing a society management solution, right? So I asked us about a very basic question: what if those large hostels, campuses could also run with the same efficiency like a well-managed hotel, right? Where you pay and you expect a good service. I mean, gone are days when your time and my time hostel infrastructures was very lenient or old pattern Gurukul ashrams, right? You have a standard room pattern and with basic amenities. But today's it's more like a hotel industry. It's a hospitality industry now. So they needed tools to provide better customer service, meet the expectations. So student is actually converting into a customer now for them, right? And that's why I started on this. So with
Yeah.
what we started with a small tool in our very first campus to streamline their processes, we saw a bigger response and that expanded into a complete campus management technology product that you see today.
Yeah, because वो पहले भी यही आजकल अगर हो रहा है तो इट्स रियली सरप्राइजिंग कि वो रजिस्टर खोल के वार्डन लिख रहे हैं लीव मैनेजमेंट हो रहा है
हाँ,
एंड देन यू ट्राइंग टू फाइंड आउट स्पेंडिंग 15 मिनट्स ट्राइंग टू फाइंड द रजिस्टर ओनली वो मतलब अब तो नहीं होना चाहिए ये सब
हाँ,
इट
मतलब
शुड बी ऑनलाइन
हॉस्टल कोई आज का कंसेप्ट नहीं है। भगवान राम के जमाने में राइट वो गुरुकुल में हॉस्टल वाज कुछ करे लर्निंग इट वाज मैडम मीडियम ऑफ को लर्निंग अवे फ्रॉम होम बट स्लोली ओवर द पीरियड in terms of money and monetizers things started converting into a hospitality industry improve होने का टाइम था right people deserve and people ask for better satisfaction and services and conveniences.
Absolutely. And when you say it like this, मुझे लगा, पहले किसी ने क्यों नहीं सोचा? This is so obvious. It should always have been there. So is there any moment, that you remember that you visited somewhere or something happened and you're like, oh, why don't we do this? And also, like, if you can tell us what it does, really, what is the technology?
Absolutely. So just during the COVID, हम अपना सोसाइटी मैनेजमेंट सॉल्यूशन चला रहे थे. स्ट्रगल्स थे, चैलेंजेस थे एंड एक दिन हमने किसी को रीच आउट किया. दिस पर्सन वाज द CEO of Oyo Living that time. Later turned to CEO of the Oyo as well. Okay. And he sent his team to interview us like this for of Frabox कि ये उनके कितने काम का हो सकता है. उस टॉक में मेरी वाइफ प्रांजल भी थी, हम लोग को फाउंडर्स शुरू से. मैं पता चला कि they have taken a big university to manage their hostels and that's why they were exploring this idea. तुमने hostels के लिए बनाया, it was not even in the mind. That thought cracked in the mind of प्रांजल कि यार ये अगर एक कितनी बड़ी कंपनी होने के बावजूद उनके पास 25,000 बच्चों का एक हॉस्टल आने वाला है एंड उसके लिए तैयारी करें, दे आर अवेलेबल टूल्स दैट मीन्स ये वहां चलने की ज्यादा चांसेस है. ठीक है, सोसाइटीज में लोग फ्रेगमेंटेड है, पैसे नहीं देना चाहते थे, अब सारी मेहनत पानी में जा रही थी क्योंकि nobody was willing to pay। और एज ए स्टार्टअप अगर आपने पैसे नहीं कमाए तो क्या बनाया, राइट? दैट वाज द होल कांसेप्ट ऑफ द
Yeah,
बिजनेस।
of course.
तो फिर तो हमने वो आइडिया, तो बट हमारे पास बहुत सारा, बट मार्केट रेटिंग, क्योंकि कोविड में पूरा का पूरा यूनिवर्सिटी इकोसिस्टम बंद पड़ा था। तो जैसे यूनिवर्सिटीज पहली बार ओपन हुई, हमने एक दिसर अरे बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है, अभी हम पैसे नहीं देंगे, क्या हम 4 महीने ट्राई कर सकते हैं सर? या करो, कोई बात नहीं, इंडिया में तो सॉफ्टवेयर का स्टार्टिंग वैसे ही होता है, तो नहीं करते हैं। बट दोज 4 मंथ्स चेंज एवरीथिंग। मतलब आई वेंट टू अ फ्रेंड एंड मैंने उसको बोला, ये आइडिया मुझे लग रहा है कि सोसाइटीज में नहीं चला बट हॉस्टल्स में चलने के, स्पेशली यूनिवर्सिटी, क्योंकि अब जो कोविड के बाद इंडस्ट्री खुल रही, तो दे आर गोइंग टू बी फोकस ऑन प्रोसेसेस, दे आर गोइंग टू बी फोकस ऑन टेक्नोलॉजी, दे आर आल्सो गोइंग टू फोकस ऑन स्टूडेंट सेफ्टी, दे आर आल्सो गोइंग टू फोकस ऑन द स्टूडेंट हाइजीन, क्योंकि कोविड ने वो सारे स्टैंडर्ड बदल दिए। तो एक बार ट्राई करने के बाद he said, यार लेट्स ट्राई इट। ही आल्सो इन्वेस्टेड अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ मनी इन द कंपनी एंड वी टेक इट आउट। एक कस्टमर, फिर दो, फिर तीन, and now we are sitting at 45 universities today with around 80,000 students using this application, and one of the largest university that we has around 26,000 students in the hostel. So that is the kind of a city and the scale that we are running today. So that idea of that one meeting online, I mean, though that company did not exist now, the OYO Living has shut down, but that changed our whole concept and idea that give us a presence today.
Yeah, an idea is everything, no? That's where everything is.
Yeah,
And you're right, for startups, you have to make money. It has to be scalable. Otherwise, what is the point, really?
absolutely.
Yeah. And you've got 80,000 students, right? Right now.
Yes,
Who are-
that
Okay. So that is good currently. So what is your target? What is your aim? What vision do you see?
see से बड़ा मार्केट कोई हो ही नहीं सकता था, ठीक है? इंडिया हैज वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट स्टूडेंट हाउसिंग पॉपुलेशन इन द वर्ल्ड एज ऑफ टुडे, with around 1,200 universities and 39,000 colleges of various streams, right, have in-campus hostels today, hosting around, in my belief, 1.5 crore student in those hostels. I'm not talking about the private PGs at this moment. I'm talking about the university hostels and the boarding schools. So the big population is living there, and that's the ideal market size for us or anyone. And though even a beginner with just like few customers and few thousand students, right, we are already a category leader at this moment.
That's great. So, you said there are a lot of advantages, for the system that Fredbox has introduced. One of them you said is safety. And I was going through, stuff that you shared online, and I was seeing that parents are so happy that they know when the child has stepped out of the college and when they've stepped back in. Otherwise, they wouldn't know for hours that, their child has moved out of the hostel to go somewhere. And, so there's a lot of safety in that, the student doesn't go missing just like that. So what are some other use cases and some other, some anecdotes that you can share of how this has helped in real time?
You remember a movie came in 2003, which is Munna Bhai MBBS.
Yes.
जहाँ पे वो डीन कुछ बता रहा था क्लासरूम में, एंड सडनली स्टूडेंट खड़ा होता है, बोलता है, सर व्हाट इज द प्रोसीजर टू चेंज द रूम?
हाँ.
That dialogue still exists in every university in India. That situation has not changed, right? If the student ever need to request or anything change in the hostel, they still have to go to the dean's room, and that was one of the things that was picking me all the time. Let's change it. So now Fredbox as a campus and hostel management so it completely. So any student who takes an admission in university and then he get a thought that can I get a hostel, from that day until he check out for 5 years, 5 years, because sometimes they might be in a 5-year courses as well. Whole life cycle is managed here. So now you are able to apply not just in the hostel, but even in your favorite type of room, even favorite room number, like you do in airlines, right? So you want to have a favorite window seat. Sometimes I'll sit, right, and sometimes you want to also sit next to a friend. Though you book separate flight sometimes, right? You want to sit next to each other, then you go to counter and ask them, right? Those whole processes is combined and as a good experience for students within the Fredbox app, right? So once you get into the campus, then it's a daily life. So you have want to raise a complaint because something is not working in with your room or the block or the building or even the campus, right? In our days, we used to go to that blue board with the blurry eyes, checking क्या आज क्या मिलेगा, व्हाट इज सरप्राइज, राइट? एंड फिर अरे यार ये पसंद नहीं है तो मेरे खाने को नहीं, चलो कहीं और से खा। So those small things in the student life completely phased out. And that also helps those adways, caterers in the right planning. Imagine a university where you have around 2,500 students, right? And you are cooking the same number of meals every day. without knowing that how many actually present today. It might be Diwali, it might be Holi, it might be any festival, it might be weekend, right? Student might be on leaves, student might have certain plans, right? Student might be in the day of placement, they might be waking up early and going to rushing to the college. They want to skip the breakfast. Then you have a lot of food wasted. But you didn't have the right numbers in the planning. So those things is what Fedbox fixed for the current universities. It streamlines their entire process and operations. It helps them take the right decisions on the right time. So in the morning, they help them how many meals they should be actually planning out for preparation, right? So if a student want to skip their lunch for any reason, right, he can opt out. If they are offering them multiple outlets to choose, maybe international student, right, who came from Middle East or South Africa and he want to try a different variety of taste today because it's available in different hostel. Can he go for it? Yes, he can do. He can do, right. He can just switch the outlet for a day, right? Does he go to that blue board again to check the notices? No, it's available with him on the right. And on the other side for the admin, right? They wanted to ensure that the message that they put up on the notice board has been passed to everyone. So like you see in WhatsApp, right? It give them a read receipt that only the other student will read this message. Otherwise, you have a say water maintenance window and then somebody sir हमें तो पता ही नहीं था आज पानी क्यों बंद कर दिया, right? या कुछ और हो गया, कोई इवेंट हो गया, तो तमाम चीजें होती हैं. On a student safety, like let me come back. It's not just parent, right? The whole system was broken in the sense it's not school kids that they wanted to track everything. But what important is it's allowed to miss you a class, but you are not allowed to miss to come back in the hostel in the night because it's about your safety. Now, old age universities were actually situated within the city boundaries, like you have Delhi universities, right? They are very much in the city, so not very much high concern on the safety. But now all the modern universities they are sitting on highways, right? They're sitting very far from the towns, 40, 50 miles away. Now, these are the regions where you come out to the campus and you hardly have one tea stall or something, nothing else. And then imagine you have gone out for something and you are not back until midnight, maybe 11 p.m., right? Nobody knows. And then something happens to you, then there's a big damage on the reputation of the university as well. And then big damage to the family because they don't know. They have sent you. See, that's a big difference between a PG and the university hostel. Why parents prefer university hostel? Because they believe that this is a safe place for you to live, and you are also surrounded by some people with good amenities, right? And for your own luxury, sometimes students take a break, go out, did not come back, right?
Yeah.
Recently, you might have heard a lot of accidents as well. Those who break up the system, they went out for birthday parties, maybe drinking parties, did not come back, and then wait on the accident and then there's a chaos, big news in the
Yeah, yeah.
right? These were the things that every warden wanted to fix. And from even my days and now, they used to go room to room verifying that you are present. It's like a TT job for them,
Right, right.
and that is what we fixed it. The second issue over the security was when a student.
How does
So we connected
how
all
does
the
that
fiber.
work? Like, if somebody is going out and, like you're saying, they're playing hooky, they've gone out. So they have to inform. How does it work then?
So it works two ways, right? So two options was there. One of them was a very manual model where universities put up a window, say for example 10 to 10:30. You go and punch in a biometric device. By 10:30 sharp, it will automatically generate a report and notification to warden that okay, out of 500 in your building, 20 are absent. So rather than he go every room and look for those 500, he just check out with those 20 people.
Yeah, and
Right.
it's mandatory to do that, right?
And and then it would be another cycle every 15 minutes until 12 p.m., right? So say 12 p.m. they might, if everybody is not left out, fantastic, right? Otherwise, might notify whoever they want to. They want to inform parents. They want to inform the university vice chancellor, head of security. यार ये बच्चा एक नहीं दिख रहा है, बाकी सबका हो गया. Though they were late to punch, but they did it. But this one student is need to look out, right? Before Fedbox, it was tough for them to sleep before until and unless they verified every student. Right?
Yeah,
Now
of
they have to
course, yeah.
verify. So rather than 500 or 1,000, they have to just look for that one or two who missed out. So that was one of the manual way still. Some of the smart university, what they did with us, they set up metro-like gates. They call it turnstile gates, right? Or the boom
Okay.
barrier. You walk in, you show your face, and your uh, presence is done. If you're walking out of hostel, your checkout is done. So that was automated. So with that, they did not need to check anything, no if to force, no window. If you have even come at 6 p.m. and you have not gone out, we know that you are available because you have gone through a gate, which is automatic gate. So that's how that one aspect of daily presence, we call it proof of presence, is done. The second aspect in the security was the student leave. It's week, it's Friday, right? सो आउट ऑफ 550 स्टूडेंट भाई सर हम घर जा रहे हैं, हमारे कुछ और प्लान्स है, फ्रेंड्स के साथ वीकेंड पार्टी पे जाना है। अर्ली डेज कम्युनिकेशन मीडियम्स उतने अच्छे नहीं थे, पेरेंट्स भरोसा रखते थे, बट टुडेज थिंग्स आर गेटिंग चेंज ना। आप बोल के तो गए हो कि हम दिल्ली में फ्रेंड के पास जा रहे हैं, पता चला कि यार देहरादून में आपका प्लान था, फिर वहां पे कुछ होता है एंड देन अगेन द सेम रेपुटेशन डैमेज टू यूनिवर्सिटीज। उन्होंने क्या किया था कि मोस्ट ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटी स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग पेरेंट्स और गार्जियंस की भाई ये दो दिन नहीं रहे, ये इसका प्लान है, आर यू ओके विद दैट। अब पेरेंट्स बिजी हो सकते थे उस पीरियड में, कुछ भी सकता था। अब स्टूडेंट को पूरा मैनुअल प्रोसेस, स्टूडेंट जाके वार्डन को बोलेगा, वार्डन पेरेंट्स को फोन लगाएगा, फिर जब पेरेंट्स हाँ बोलेंगे, हमने इस पूरी प्रोसेस को ऑटोमेट कर, यू अप्लाई ऑन द ऐप, द पेरेंट्स गेट नोटिफाइड on the WhatsApp immediately. Right from the WhatsApp, they will say yes or no, and it's done. Right, and on your plan time, you can leave out. So those things are fully automated processes over the security net. Once you are out of the campus, right, it's no more skin of the game of the university, because you are out with your request, with your parents' approval, and with the warden approval. Done. So that's how it saves everyone's skin and
Yeah, and everybody's safe and everybody is informed, and people can sleep in peace, you know?
absolutely.
Yeah,
हाँ,
yeah.
इसका एक
Parents
और
are
एग्जाम्पल,
easy,
हाँ,
and even the warden and everybody in the university, because it's their responsibility, right? So everybody is easy, and we're very, and because of a very simple technology, really.
बहुत सिंपल, राइट, हमने बस इसका
Yeah.
प्रॉपर यूज केस बना दिया। एंड विद दी जो सक्सेस ना, दोज एडमिन्स हु वर कंप्लीटली मैनुअल, राइट, दे जंप्ड ऑन इट, जैसे ये बहुत अच्छा आइडिया, एंड देन दे स्टार्टेड पुटिंग देयर ओन थॉट्स, किसको ऐसे कर सकते हैं, क्या इसको ऐसे, ये भी ये रिपोर्ट, ये हमारे एक सीनियर एग्जीक्यूटिव है सिक्योरिटी के, कैन वी सेंड हिम एज वेल, ने एक सुपरवाइजर हायर किया है, कैन वी सॉल्व द स्टूडेंट कंप्लेंट्स एज वेल, हमारे पे ऑल दोस थिंग्स गेट डन नाउ।
Yeah. Yeah, fantastic. And I'm seeing there's so many pain points you solved, you know, वो मतलब कितना खाना बनना है, आज पानी का प्रॉब्लम है, कौन किस वक्त बाहर जा रहा है, you know, it's just very small things which people are, you know, you get used to it in life. You don't even think about it कि this can be solved really, and you've solved them. So that's great. And Ashish, tell me, you know, there are a lot of challenges one faces, and especially because it's a startup and you're getting into, you know, uncharted territory. So what are some challenges you faced? How you overcome it? Like you said कि आपका वो society ऐप था पहले, राइट? सो एंड उसके बाद आपने देखा कि यू नो व्हाटएवर challenges you were facing there, and then you pivoted and you moved into hostels and universities. So क्या-क्या challenges ऐसे आए हैं, and you know how have you overcome them? So could you tell us?
देखिए इंडिया में सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज सॉफ्टवेयर इंडस्ट्री का है कि nobody want to pay you on a day one. You see 99 of 9% softwares come with a free version as well. चाहे वो चैट जीपीटी क्यों ना हो, राइट?
Yeah.
चाहे वो
और हम लोग इंडिया में की वर्जन ही
गूगल गूगल ड्राइव होता है, राइट? तो
Yeah.
वी यूज्ड टू दैट, राइट? वी सो नॉट एवरीबॉडी विलिंग टू पे यू ऑन डे वन, राइट? बट you have to build that entire technology. You have to hire software engineers. You have to hire technical architects. You have to pay for the cloud. You have to, and it's just the entire company function that you have to run, right? So you need to have a certain budget before you prove your stability in the market and people start paying you, right? So building a SaaS industry in early days of a startup is very, very challenging because of the things which I already mentioned, right? The willingness to pay, plus people want to get it customized for them. People want to get it done the way they like to see it, and they want to validate that this solutions works. Now, for us, it was even higher because it was not an individual choice. See, Gmail you are going to use for your own thing, but what we are selling is for an entire university who has a existence of business for years. Maybe some of them were even live for 20, 30 years. One of the university was live for 40 years in the past, right? So, but we are new. So that 40 years of experience and existence, they can't risk for anything new. So that earning that trust was a very complex challenge for us to fix it, right? So those first 5 customers, we went very, very slow. We wanted the best of their experience. We wanted the best of their feedback, so that they become a brand ambassador. Because the sixth customer is definitely going to call them and see how is you have already won a Fatbox or for a year. How do you look? How do you see this? Because now we are going to take bigger decisions on this, right? So those things were very crucial for us in early days.
Yeah. So I'm sure there'll be more challenges, and I'm sure you're more than equipped to meet it. I can see the enthusiasm, and also because, you know, you're seeing the difference it is making, right, on the ground. Yeah, so that's great. So, you know, Ashish, I'd like to know more about you personally. And because your LinkedIn bio, you know, it said that you've experienced multiple failed and successful stints. So,
Mm.
can you tell us about this and, you know, some teachable moments, what each you know, whatever you have faced in your life and, you know, your career and what it has taught you?
Hey, so my journey has been far from linear. I worked on ideas that did not scale. I made some products which are fantastic idea. You see a billion dollar startup on those ideas today, but we could not scale that. So it might sometimes we are too early, sometimes we were not ready, sometimes we didn't have right mentors or even the funds. We made lot of
Can you give some
but
examples? I'm just curious.
yeah. So हमने 2014 I came back from UK. मुझे लगा तब मुझे एक जॉब मिली जो कि वर्क फ्रॉम होम थी। इमेजिन 2014 में वर्क फ्रॉम होम करना, लोगों को लगता था कि मैं बेरोज़गार हूँ। मैं झांसी शिफ्ट हो गया एंड हमने वहाँ से स्टार्ट किया। मुझे लगा कि चलो कुछ स्टार्ट करते हैं साथ में। जॉब है, वर्क फ्रॉम होम है, टाइम मिल रहा था। तो वो झांसी में स्टार्ट करना हमारी एक वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक, क्योंकि वो एनवायरनमेंट, वो जगह ही उस चीज़ के लिए मैच्योर नहीं थी। हम ऐप्स की बात कर, नए प्रोडक्ट्स की बात कर रहे थे, बट देयर वाज़ नो स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम एग्जिस्टेड, नॉट इवन यूपी, आई विल से आई वाज़ इन झांसी, राइट? So keep investing a lot of my money. Plus, the other mistake that we did was assumption of the product fit. Right now, I believe in the customer fit model. I don't believe in the product fit model at all. तो मतलब होता क्या है कि हम कुछ एक सॉल्यूशन डिजाइन करते हैं, राइट, जो हमारे दिमाग में होता है, एक प्रॉब्लम होती है, उसके अराउंड एक आइडिया होता है, हम कुछ बना के जाते हैं, हमें लगता है कि चल जाएगा, राइट। आप देखते हो कि मतलब, बट जब आप उसको मार्केट में लेके, जब लोग उसको यूज करने पता चलता, लगती है कि ये प्रॉब्लम उतनी बड़ी ही नहीं, ये प्रॉब्लम सबकी नहीं है, या लोग इसके लिए पे नहीं, मतलब बड़ी है बट लोग इसके लिए पे नहीं करना चाहते। आप इमेजिन करो कि आप बोलोगे कि आज की डेट में मैं पेड वेबसाइट बनाती हूँ जो कि जहाँ पे न्यूज पब्लिश कर सके। सी नॉट इवन 1 out of 100 पीपल वांट टू पे फॉर इट, बिकॉज़ उनको लगता है न्यूज मतलब फ्री है, राइट। सो दैट्स हाउ द थिंग्स वर्क्स इन इन एंड आउट, राइट। हमने कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स बनाए जो कि बहुत अर्ली थे, या फिर उन प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए कोई तो जब हम फ्रेडबॉक्स में यूनिवर्सिटीज के, हमने डिसाइड कर लिया कि अब बॉस हम वही बनाएंगे जिसके लिए कस्टमर पैसे देना चाहता है। तो वो जो आपको बताया कि वो 5 यूनिवर्सिटीज हम बहुत स्लो चले, वो जानबूझ के वही था, क्योंकि हम वांटेड टू मेक श्योर दैट कस्टमर पे फॉर इट, क्योंकि हमें अपनी आगे की जर्नी पूरी उसी के अराउंड बनानी थी। सो नाउ दोस 45 यूनिवर्सिटी जो मैंने मेंशन किया, हर एक यूनिवर्सिटी हमें पैसा देती है। So there is no free lunch or free product in Fatbox now. We have designed that a way that it works for them and they pay for it. And
Yeah.
so that is one of the my early mistakes, and that helped me to mature as a founder and mature as a company. That's what those things we learned.
Yeah, fantastic. It's completely customer facing. So, any messages to startup founders? Because, these days everybody wants a startup. I think more than a job, people want to start something of their own. So, any message, any advice for them?
Last week I heard someone. His name is Hemant Chalan. He was founder of Indigo Paints. And one line from his experience I want to share with every founder. He has a concept called dream, dare, and do. Right? At any moment, hundreds and thousands or millions of people are thinking of an idea, thinking of to try something, thinking of to do something, be your own boss for various reasons, right? But only 1% is actually there. So though if you are a founder, you have started, then my friend, the, among the those 1% who has dared to do that, that's the beginning. That's not the end. The end is do and success, right? So do's is more important than just success, because the right things, so it's going to require your patience. You need to build up a right team who stands with you. You need to have a longer runway plan than you think. अगर आपको लगता है कि 6 महीने मेरी कंपनी चल जाएगी, मेरे पास बहुत सारे पैसे होंगे, मेरे पास मर्सिडीज होगी, तो ऐसा नहीं हो। सो अगेन यू आर गोइंग टू 1 out of a million, अगर ये होता है बट इट्स वेरी 1 out of a million केस। सो फॉर एवरीवन एल्स इट्स गोइंग टू बी टेक years. So be ready with the money, be ready with your family, be ready with your everything in and around. Be ready to face, be ready to pitch, and ultimately make a team who can sell it. क्योंकि आप कुछ भी बना लो, अगर आप उसको नहीं बेच पा रहे हो, तो वो स्टार्टअप नहीं चलेगा एंड ऑफ द डे, राइट। सो दैट्स माय मैसेज टू ऑल द founders.
Yeah, that's a great message. Have a lot of patience and be out there pitching your business, build a team, family life, everything. So, talking about family life and, work-life balance is very important, and it's good that it's a focus now. So, what about you? What do you do in your free time? How do you find free time, first of all? How do you unwind? Do you read? Do you listen to music? What do you do?
नहीं, नहीं, अभी टाइम तो रियली नहीं बचता, राइट, दैट्स ट्रू। अगर कभी, हाँ, बस टाइम चुराना पड़ता है बीच में से प्रोसेस में। अच्छी बात ये है कि मैं और मेरी वाइफ, हम दोनों ही को फाउंडर्स हैं, राइट, इसमें इन्वॉल्व हैं। तो कभी-कभी लेट नाइट टॉक्स भी चल रही होती है बिज़नेस पे, बट कभी-कभी जो जाने का ट्रैवलिंग टाइम है, वी हैड फन, वी टॉक अबाउट पर्सनल थिंग्स, सो चीज़ें मैनेज हो जा, बट या समवन हैज़ टू टेक केयर ऑफ द फैमिली एज़ वेल, समवन हैज़ टू टेक केयर ऑफ द बिज़नेस एज़ वेल, सो दोज़ प्रोसेसेस गेट मिक्स्ड समटाइम्स, बट सिंस वी आर टुगेदर इन दिस जर्नी, we understand each other very very well, right? We are able to support कि अगर ये मीटिंग है और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, then who must step in, right? Like, so that's how we manage our things.
That's great, Ashish. Thank you so much for doing this, and wonderful messages, from your business, that how you saw an opportunity and took it from a society app. You just went straight to hostels, and you're making such a difference also. It's not just about, building a successful business. It's also making a huge difference. So thank you so much, Ashish, for doing this.
Thank you.